Sending and receiving picture messages, or MMS, requires a connection to cellular or mobile data on your phone. These messages are essentially text messages with attachments, but the data they transmit and receive is larger than typical SMS messages. In this video, we will guide you through the process of resolving any issues with sending MMS or picture messages on your Samsung phone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Going back to our topic, here are the things you can do. First solution: check the signal strength of your phone. When you encounter a failure in sending MMS, immediately check the signal strength indicated in the top right corner of the screen. If your phone displays only 1 or 2 bars, that may be the cause of the issue. In such a scenario, try resending the message, and it may go through on the second or third attempt. However, if your phone lacks reception, that could be the reason for the failure. This may be a temporary issue, so monitor the signal to see if your phone can reconnect to the tower. But if your phone indicates a strong signal and MMS still won't send, proceed to the next solution. Second solution: make sure mobile data is enabled. Sending picture messages or MMS requires an enabled mobile data service. To verify this, follow these steps. Access the Quick Settings panel by swiping down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. Check the status of the mobile data icon to ensure it's enabled. If it's not enabled, turn it on and attempt to send an MMS message. If it's already enabled, temporarily disable it for a few seconds, then re-enable it to force your phone to reconnect to the network. Afterwards, try sending an MMS to check if it's successful. Third solution: force restart your phone. If the issue arises unexpectedly and without a clear cause, a simple solution to try is a forced restart. This will refresh your phone's memory and reload all its services, which may resolve the problem. To perform a forced restart, press and hold the power button and the volume down button for 8 seconds. Once the Samsung logo appears, release both buttons and allow the phone to continue booting up. After the restart, attempt to send an MMS message to determine if the issue has been resolved. Fourth solution: reset network settings. If the previous solutions haven't resolved the issue with your Samsung phone not being able to send MMS, it's time to perform a network settings reset. This will restore all wireless services to their default settings, including the access point name, which enables mobile data connection. To reset the network settings on your device, follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap General Management, then select Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings and confirm by tapping Reset Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock, then tap Reset to complete the process. Note that resetting the network settings will not delete your files, but it will reset your messaging settings to their defaults. After completing the reset, open the Samsung Messages or Google Messages app, whichever you are using, and attempt to send an MMS message. In most cases, this will resolve any texting issues, whether they be related to SMS or MMS. If you still encounter problems, try using the default messaging app to see if that fixes the issue. Fifth solution: call your service provider. If your Samsung phone still cannot send picture messages despite trying the previous solutions, reach out to your service provider to check your account status and inquire about any possible outages in your area. In case of an account issue, it often stems from an overdue bill and can be quickly resolved. However, if it is a network issue, you may need to wait a few minutes until the problem is fixed before you can send MMS messages. And that's it. We hope this guide was helpful in resolving your issue. Have a great day ahead.